This is a super quick tutorial for you guys, um, and it's a cheap trick to get really good lighting in Blender. All you got to do is block off your scene completely from external light. So I'm just adding in a plane here at the opening here, and we can see that if we render, look, it looks super dark. But if we just cut in here some openings for our scene lighting to come in, and if we just if we just cut some stuff out there and we can see that we get these sort of rays of light happening. And then if we come up to our environment texture here, this is where the magic really starts happening. If we just absolutely crank our environment texture up to like maybe 40 is a bit too much, but if we go 20, and we give that a render, you see we've got all these shadows and all this lighting color going on. And this is going to be really compute intensive to render. But see, we're only at like 50 samples, but it's a really sort of fast, dirty way. And it is going to create a lot of noise. To start off with, you're going to have to crank this and you're going to have to render it up. So like 4,000 or 5,000 samples for all of this noise to go away. However, I think we can just complete that in our viewport. Wait, no, we want 5,000, not 500. But the noise will eventually go away, and you will be left with a render with some realistic lighting, or quasi-realistic lighting, because it is coming from real sources or pseudo-real sources. So yeah, it's just a super quick trick. It doesn't work in all situations, but if I turn off the denoiser, you can see what's happening underneath. Is we're just getting this very slow progression of detail, but this will eventually solve to being good lighting for your scenes. But it is extremely compute intensive, and it's a really quick and dirty method. But if you just need to get some kind of light into your scene, and you don't care how long something's going to take to render, you don't care how many samples you're going to have to take for your scene, or you can add in as well, another thing that you can do with this method is you can add in just a really simple, maybe a spotlight or something into the room. And crank out the radius. And that's going to start to work to reduce the noise in the scene. So if you are getting patches with noise or whatever, you can hit it up with some spotlights and stuff to start reducing it. But yeah, it's just a little hack to use the environmental lighting to fill up a scene. It does get grainy though. It does get grainy, and it's not the best. It's not the best method, but it's a quick and dirty way just to get a quick preview off and out into the wild. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys over in a stream or something. Thank you.